In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Edge not responding on Windows 11. If you're experiencing issues with Microsoft Edge freezing or becoming unresponsive, don't worry, I'm here to help you troubleshoot and fix this problem effectively. Let's kick things off with the simplest solutions and gradually move to more advanced troubleshooting methods. To start, let's try force closing and then restarting Microsoft Edge. Sometimes simply restarting the application can resolve minor glitches. To do this, you'll want to press Ctrl, Shift and S together to open the Task Manager. Once the Task Manager window is open, scroll through the list of processes until you find Microsoft Edge. When you've located it, right-click on Microsoft Edge and select End Task. This will close the program completely, allowing you to restart it fresh. Once you've done this, just relaunch Microsoft Edge and see if it resolves the issue. If that doesn't work, clearing your cache and browsing data could be the remedy. With Edge open, press Ctrl, Shift and Delete to bring up the Clear Browsing Data menu. Set the time range to all time to ensure you're clearing everything. Make sure to check the options for browsing history, cached images and files, and cookies and other site data. After selecting these options, click Clear Now to remove them. This will help eliminate any corrupted data that could be causing Edge to underperform. Next, let's look at extensions. Sometimes unresponsive browsers are the result of faulty or conflicting extensions. To manage your extensions, type Edge extensions into the address bar and toggle off all the extensions you have installed. After doing this, restart Microsoft Edge and see if it's back to normal. If it is, you can start re-enabling your extensions one by one to identify which one might be causing the issue. Another thing to consider is whether your browser is up to date. An outdated browser might not only make it unstable, but also vulnerable to security risks. To ensure your Microsoft Edge is updated, click on the Settings menu, then navigate to About Microsoft Edge. Here, the browser will automatically check for any available updates and install them. Once updated, restart Edge to see if the problems have been resolved. If the issue persists, you might want to reset Edge settings to their default values. Go back to Settings and this time click on Reset Settings. Choose Restore Settings to their default values and confirm by clicking Reset. This will return Edge to its original state, solving any configuration issues that might be at play. And if after all these steps you're still facing challenges, the last resort would be to reinstall Microsoft Edge. A fresh installation can often eliminate deeper underlying issues. With these steps, I hope you have successfully resolved any troubles you encountered with Microsoft Edge, ensuring a smoother browsing experience going forward.